Good afternoon. I'm Jody Voss from Lintech, and we're here to talk about a low-cost, disposable drug infusion pumping system that we developed in College Station. The opportunity for this pumping system comes to us from a couple of different perspectives. One is the civilian market opportunity, but more immediately there's a military medicine, a DoD market opportunity. In terms of those areas that deal with trauma and battlefield and emergency medicine, there are several different aspects that are coming down the line in this area. First is the replacement of obsolete equipment that's rolling offline. Secondly, they're looking for lighter weight, lower cost solutions for critical care air transport. If you've ever seen patients moved when they've been taken off the battlefield to Germany and then to the US, they're moved with mountains of equipment on them because they're using hospital-based gear. So they're developing systems to make this more efficient and lighter weight. Thirdly, they're looking for lower cost disposable throwaways when they roll people out of the hospital gear. Our technology is based on electrochemical pumping technology, very similar to fuel cells that we developed at Lintech. This is a patent applied. We've applied for the patent for this technology. Again, it is based on a disposable pumping system. With fewer moving parts, we expect higher reliability, higher precision, and more importantly, as we move into an electronic medical record situation, this pump will gather and collect information about flow rate for whatever therapy that it's dispensing. Our vision for this system is to be based on a lightweight disposable cube, if you will, a disposable pump that'll be controlled across several different modes of operation, say at a bedside or in a hospital environment. Secondly, in a mobile or a critical care transport environment. And thirdly, in a patient-controlled analgesic, or what's called a PCA. People call it the Batman button type environment. But it's the same cube that can be used with the therapy infused across different modes. We call it intermodality. Versus the other pumps that are on the market, our pump is smaller, lighter weight. It consumes less energy. It is more precise, and it is a disposable pump. Current pumps being used are electromechanical, and they're typically peristaltic, which is a motor driving a pinwheel. Our dual diaphragm pump, we believe, has certain advantages over existing pumps. And looking at the market, the pump market is about $1.5 billion annually. If we drill down to some of our specific opportunities, again, the military is seeking critical care air transport solutions that will improve the efficiency and the efficacy of how they transport patients. In addition to those solutions, they're looking for pumping solutions. We also believe the civilian market in both the emergency room and the emergency transport situations provides quite a bit of opportunity for us. In 2006, there were 120 million patients arriving at emergency departments. About 6 million were transported, and roughly 30 million of those required some type of IV therapy. In looking at our marketing approach, we will focus initially on the DoD market because we see that as a very good fit. We've been working with at least one provider of a solution for what's called a trauma module or a trauma control module. They see that as a very good fit for us. Regardless of which solution is selected, we believe that our pump will be applicable to that solution. We also will then focus on civilian markets, emergency departments and emergency transporters, and do this with a sales force that we'll be applying, and we believe that we'll compete not only on features but on cost. In terms about our company, our Lintech company is a 20-year SBIR company. We have roughly 30 PhD scientists. We have a high degree of focus in electrochemistry, that's fuel cells and other devices like this pumping unit, and we have a history of successful spin-offs. Our current team includes our chief scientist is Roger Van Boyen. He has a PhD in atomic physics. There's myself on this project, as well as John Stoker, who focuses on federal systems. As we raise funds and get moving in this space, we'll also be seeking a CEO who has medical systems device experience. In terms of what we're looking for, we believe that $5 million, roughly, will get us through continued development, approval of the device, as well as seeking out a manufacturing component, and then lastly getting market development completed for this device. We believe that this could take place over the next 2 years, such that first revenues could occur in 2012. The back end of the opportunity is we believe that there's an exit strategy in a few years where revenues could grow to 50 plus million, and we believe that the exit strategy would include either a strategic partner or a potential industry partner who would see this device being rolled into their current offerings. So in terms of recap, we believe we have a very competitive product in terms of the technology. We're seeking to continue to develop both the technology and the market. We think the application is immediate in terms of needs within military medicine. We see significant advantages and savings in terms of not only cost and energy, but having a disposable unit is an advantage, and we believe this is an opportunity.